Hey there, design lovers. Welcome back to our channel. If you and I are looking to elevate your dining space and create a room that'll leave your guests absolutely stunned, you enter in the right place. Today, we're diving into expert tips from top London interior designers on how to design a perfect dining room. Whether you are after a minimalist vibe or something more luxurious, we've got everything you need to make your dining room the highlight of your home. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest design tips. We're here to help you create spaces that are as functional as they are beautiful. So, are you ready to transform your dining room into the ultimate showstopper? Let's dive in. When it comes to designing a dining room, it's essential to start with the basics, understanding your space. It might seem simple, but many people overlook how important this step is. Whether you and 39 are in a cozy flat in central London or have more space in the suburbs, your dining room layout should reflect the unique characteristics of your room. Start by considering the shape of your dining room. Is it long and narrow, or is it more square and spacious? Knowing this will help you choose the right furniture and accessories. For example, if you and Humber 39 are working with a narrow space, you'll want to opt for a round or oval table. These shapes work wonders in tight rooms because they allow for better flow, making the space feel more open and inviting. On the other hand, square and rectangular rooms give you more flexibility with furniture. If you've got the luxury of space, you can go for a statement dining table, perhaps even one that doubles as a work of art. Now, let's talk about the ceiling height. If you've got high ceilings, consider incorporating pendant lights or a chandelier to add some drama. But if the ceilings are lower, don't worry, go for a more subtle lighting design that draws attention to the table, rather than overwhelming the room. Let's get to the heart of your dining room, the dining table and chairs. This is where functionality and aesthetics collide, and getting it right can completely transform your space. When selecting your dining table, think about the number of people you typically entertain. In London, homes often come with limited space, so it's vital to select a table that maximizes your seating while leaving enough room to move around comfortably. A table that's too large can make the room feel cramped, whereas a table that's too small will leave your guests feeling a bit too cozy. For those with limited space, extendable tables are a great option. You can enjoy the flexibility of having a smaller table for everyday use and then extend it when you have guests over. Now, let number 39s talk about the chairs. The right chairs should complement the table while offering comfort and style. London designers often recommend mixing and matching. Maybe a row of traditional chairs along one side of the table, with statement chairs at the ends. It's a great way to add variety and interest without overcrowding the space. If you're going for a luxury look, leather or velvet chairs can add an element of opulence. On the other hand, if you and 39 are leaning into a more minimalist design, consider sleek, modern chairs with clean lines. Something that complements the table without stealing the show. Color is one of the most powerful tools in interior design. The right color scheme can enhance the mood of the room and make it feel more inviting. When selecting colors for your dining room, think about the atmosphere you want to create. If you are going for an elegant, high-end look, rich colors like navy, deep green, or charcoal gray can add sophistication and warmth. Alternatively, if you are after a lighter, airier feel, neutrals like off-white, soft beige, or light gray are always a good choice. These colors make the space feel fresh and open, and they also allow you to play with accents in furniture, textiles, and decor. For those looking to add a pop of personality, London interior designers often recommend using an accent color, perhaps a bold, jewel-toned chair, or a statement piece of artwork on the wall. It's all about finding the balance between style and function. Let's not forget about materials. The materials you choose for your dining table, chairs, and decor can completely change the vibe of the room. Wood, marble, and metal are all popular choices, but you should always consider the longevity and maintenance of your materials. Marble tables, for example, add a sense of luxury, but may require a bit more care. For a sleek and modern aesthetic, Metal tables with glass tops are perfect. They reflect light and make the space feel more open, which is ideal for smaller rooms. But if you're after a more rustic or traditional style, wood always brings in that natural, warm element. One of the most overlooked aspects of dining room design is lighting. Think about it. Lighting sets the mood for every meal. Imagine a candlelit dinner or a brightly lit brunch. The way you light your dining space can completely transform the experience. For smaller dining rooms, ambient lighting is essential. Pendant lights or a stylish chandelier above the dining table is a great way to create a focal point. London designers often recommend using dimmable lighting, so you can adjust the brightness depending on the occasion. After all, nothing says luxury like being able to control the lighting based on your mood. And for those looking for a bit of extra flair, consider wall sconces. They add layers to the room and provide that soft, warm glow that makes everyone feel at ease. If you're using pendant lights or chandeliers, make sure they hang at the right height, not too low to block views, but low enough to create that intimate atmosphere. While design is all about aesthetics, your dining room also needs to be functional. In a city like London, where space is often limited, integrating clever storage solutions is a must. Consider built-in shelving or a buffet to store dishes, glasses, and other dining essentials. This keeps the room neat and organized, while also providing additional surface area for decor or drinks during dinner parties. If you're entertaining often, a sideboard can also double as extra storage for silverware or linens, giving you a space that's not only beautiful, but practical. Okay, now comes the fun part, accessorizing. This is where you really get to show off your personality and style. Start with the basics, like table settings. A beautiful tablecloth or placemats can instantly elevate the look of the room, as can elegant dinnerware. If you want to go all out, a stunning centerpiece, perhaps a vase with fresh flowers or a sculptural piece, will certainly draw attention and add that wow factor. When it comes to wall decor, London designers often suggest creating a gallery wall or hanging large-scale artwork that complements your color palette. This adds depth and interest to your dining room. Mirrors are another great option. They reflect light and make the room feel larger, which is perfect for smaller spaces. For those with larger dining rooms, don't forget the importance of rugs. A plush rug under your dining table can help define the space and add a layer of comfort, especially on colder floors. So there you have it, expert tips from London interior designers to help you create the perfect dining room. From understanding your space and choosing the right table to adding those finishing touches, it's all about creating a balanced, functional, and stylish space that suits your lifestyle. If you're ready to get started on your dining room transformation, or if you have any questions or need further advice, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear about your ideas and how you plan to design your dream dining space. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and tap the notification bell to stay updated with more design tips and tricks from Oraanj Interior Design. We've got so many exciting videos lined up for you, covering everything from the latest trends in home decor to expert advice on transforming every room in your home. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new content, ensuring you never miss out on the inspiration and insights that can help you create the home of your dreams. And if you enjoyed this video, we'd really appreciate a like. It helps us know what content you love, so we can keep bringing you the best ideas in interior design. Thanks so much for watching and being part of our community. If you have any questions or thoughts, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear about your own dining room projects and how you plan to bring these tips to life in your home. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to refresh your space, we're here to guide you every step of the way. We'll see you in the next one.